while ago you're gonna bring back the bridge, the way it was during the stand time. Sir, no timeline mo for that?
4 weeks.
4 weeks from today, sir?
Yes.
Sir, invite me naman to your opening yan.
Yeah. You're all welcome. Just put it in your calendar. It has to be before October 22.
Before October 2, the
22.
new... Okay.
Because my birthday is October 24.
I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you. Picture of you. A picture of you.
Yan naman ang regalo ko with regard to heritage and history and character of Manila. We'll bring back that kind of era, texture, based on our past. So, we'll be bringing back time where Manila was. Parang gano'n. Ganun ang concept.
Exciting, sir.
Yawan, Diyos.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
October 22. Sir!
Hey yo, what's up? My name is Darrell at ito ang Bakasyon ni Juan at nandito tayo ngayon sa Jones Bridge at titingnan natin ano na ba ang pagbabagong nagaganap dito. At sabi nga ni Mayor Isko Moreno noong September 18 during our interview sa kanya ay bubuksan niya ang Jones Bridge at makikita yung pagbabago bago ang kanyang kaarawan sa October 24 yung birthday niya. So advance happy birthday Mayor Isko Moreno. So ayun na nga po. Ang plano ni Mayor Isko Moreno ay pasinayaan ang ginawang rehabilitasyon dito sa Jones Bridge at bubuksan ang pailaw sa October 20. Bukas na po yun. So, aabangan po natin yan. At si Mayor Isko Moreno for sure ay nandoon sa Jones Bridge bukas ng alas 5, linggo po yun. At ito na nga po ang pagbabagong nagaganap dito sa Jones Bridge at kompleto na po ang mga ilaw na nakatayo dito sa tulay na ito at gayon din ay unti-unti nang pinipinturahan ang mga gilid ng tulay at nawa ay sana makahabol ang mapinturahan lahat bago ang pailaw ni Mayor bukas, araw ng linggo at yan naman po ay tuloy-tuloy ang ginagawa dito sa Jones Bridge. After that, ng pailaw ni Mayor Isko Moreno ay tuloy-tuloy pa rin pagagandahin ang Jones Bridge at ang mga karating lugar na ito. At ang plano nga ni Mayor Isko Moreno ay ibalik ang dating imahe ng Maynila, maganda at super classic. And that's why we are really excited na matunghayan ang Maynila na ini-imagine ni Mayor Isko Moreno. So, ayan po, kudos po sa inyo, Mayor. At sobra po kaming na-excite sa mga proyekto na gagawin nyo sa Kamaynilaan. At ito nga po, unti-unti nang nakikita natin ang magandang pagbabago dito sa Jones Bridge. At simula pa lamang ito ng plano ni Mayor Isko Moreno. Ang plano ni Mayor Isko Moreno ay, yun nga, ibalik ang ganda ng Maynila at dito magsisimula ito. At eventually, Escolta ipagagandahin. Itong katabi na Pasig River Esplanade ay aayusin at tuloy-tuloy ang pagganda buong Loton pagagandahin. At yan po yung nakakatuwa dito. Nakikita natin ang pagbabago. Nakikita natin ang resulta agad. Wala pang isang taon si Mayor Isko Moreno pero maganda ang kanyang naibigay na vision para sa Maynila. Naipakita niya kung ano ang magandang plano. At hindi lang pagpapakita ng plano, bagkos na ipakita niya na kayang gawin, na kayang simulan ito agad-agad. At ayan nga po yung nakakatuwa dito sa Maynila na patuloy talaga ang pagbabagong nagaganap. At Yan po yung mga makikita natin dito. Tuloy-tuloy ang ating mga tuloy-tuloy ang mga nagtatrabaho dito sa Jones Bridge na ito. At actually, pa kahit gabi is nagtatrabaho sila. So, ayan po bukas. That would be October 20. So, ahead of time pa sa sinabi ni Mayor Isko Moreno. Ang plano niya is October 22. So, ayan, October 20 and 5 p.m. magkita-kita po tayo para sa pailaw ni Mayor, para sa pagpapasinaya ng ilaw ng Jones Bridge. At ayan po, tingnan natin yung mga kaganapan dito sa Jones Bridge.
I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. Picture of you. You're standing by that window, playing your guitar. And if I close my eyes, I can almost hear a song. A picture of you. Picture of you. And I remember every day that I spent with you. The look you had upon your face when I said goodbye. I don't know why I let you go, but I was young and dumb. And all that I have left from that time is a picture of you. I could talk to you for hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we made breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw away what we had. What's wrong with me? I don't know why I threw it all away. And I remember every day that I've spent with you. The look you had upon your face when I said goodbye. I don't know why I let you go, but I was young and dumb. And all that I have left from that time is a picture of you. A picture of you. Is a picture of you. And I remember every day that I've spent with you. The look you had upon your face when I said goodbye. One look and I breathe. One touch feels skin deep. A picture
nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, click subscribe button at i-click nyo na rin ang notification bell para kayo ang unang makakuha ng mga ganap ni Juan. Again, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!